I'm recording, you recording? Birthday dude. So this is everyone eating. Yeah, yum yum. What's up, chat? What's up, chat? So today, we're headed. God did, chat. Okay, chat. You better stop a chat.
You know I like when you right at the top. She wants your name and yo-yo. I'm only doing cash out, no need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. The inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty cause I don't do facade. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark.
Hi, Tammy. Oh my gosh. In it?
But I'll use it for like the things that are set. So like what I like
It's 3 a.m. That is what we're doing today. So we're in Mexico. Today we're going quad biking and zip lining and snorkeling. So
No, snorkeling isn't today.
Oh,
We're going another day.
we're going on a boat.
So like swimming or something like that.
Okay, yeah. So we'll see. We'll take you guys along.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did.
Hey, my friend, now, how to drink tequila? This technique is so easy. You need to breathe in so deep. Drink, swallow, and breathe out by the mouth. So easy like yoga, okay? If you are ready, please thumbs up and say very loud, Salud! Salud! Arriba! Arriba! Abajo! Abajo! Al centro! ¡Vámonos!
I try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make it up, feel all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timberlake.
Straight up to my face. I've been gone so long it look like home to you. In the country, I got fake people showing fake love to me.
Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do, maybe at the time, maybe not the time. Now everybody could try breakfast. Have to say bye bye yo, to the love of my life, my ayo. Don't cry yo, I need to go and shadow, I need to go and shadow, I need to go and shadow.
Can I say hi to the vlog? What are we doing tonight?
Getting lit.
tonight. R.I.P. that liver. Hey.
This is nice, man. I gotta go back in the morning.
That fish thing,
That
fish thing with the pasta. But he had it down.
I'm not really kind of I'm trying to go more now. Too much for me.
With your chest and say it really slow. I don't like you and I think you need to go.
Yeah.
Talk to me about my style.
What?
I think you dress like a child, an infant, a baby.
Hey.
You look really, really so crazy. I don't like you, don't catch me. And if you want to, then catch me at the bar. Star, don't go too far.
Hey, Cole. Rossy ass. Rossy ass.
What? Sharon, wow.
Aw.
And the thing is,
Wait.
No, the thing is, this is actually anyway. Even just have the social media platform, same thing, but
I might be too strung out of compliments, overdose of confidence, trying not to give up and stop fearing the consequences. Chance to decide that's something they don't.
The morning after. How you feeling, boys?
good.
Alive.
Wagwan people.
What's up? So today, what we doing?
We're gonna go snorkeling,
I
speedboating.
And
I think.
yeah, something like that. But yeah, we just took the bus. It was a very interesting experience. Yeah, right now it is.
Let's just cut to that scene from the vlogs back in 2016.
Yeah.
We're now going back to the hotel to go swimming again because we're done kind of in the mall and stuff. We're so lost. We got stuck in this car.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me.
Try the boat.
She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Listen, you've been missing since 2006.
Oh, you had it?
Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my decision. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think this.
Logistics behind the scenes. So I got my blue lagoon right here. Lots of got Fantas. Yes sir. Yes sir.
Wait, that's it.
Yeah, it's just Hi guys. We out here.
We going to the boat party at the
Yes sir. Indeed. With our African American brothers and sisters.
Be there or be square.
Intellectual murder people edition. Cancun fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, he got fi kill a man. At the gang fi me gang, pussy run up if you bad. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place getting noisy. You never know, see a little juvenile coulda run in a your yard and take a 3 pints. Babylon, Panellian in the street, and the main and the buck, man, Jesus Christ. Now make him run, now make him out, now make him sleep even night. More yeah, dash him when nobody can find. You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick. It's me. Coming up kill 2 of them up in this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. What am I tell them get the bang.
my shade, show you my eyes. I can see right through you, girl. I know you ain't shy.
Bye. Girl, sucking better. Hey, 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 baby, meet me around my main, baby.
All the ladies love me.
Stay talking about me, about me.
Travel all across the world just to be
Give me your reply. Hey. Can we go Switzerland? Can we go Japan?
We about to set this place on fire. Without a macho like I don't do girlfriends. One night is making. She might not.
And that, no flies.
Ask Kyron. I want tea as well.
I tried. Yeah,
How's your experience in Cancun been?
it's been amazing. It's going to be like great beaches. like,
Great what?
for us to describe this entire experience in one word would be necessary. Because I got to see you guys again. I feel like after I left, I have a deep hole in my heart. Like, I didn't really get to experience. So this was necessary. I needed closure. I guess.
God, dude.
Sad faces.
Take a chance with us, you could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted.
We are off to the market. The market, baby. Gonna do some shopping. Some souvenirs. The whole gang in the back. Sun in action. What a feeling. So we have the platinum pass. How are you feeling today?
Very excited.
Where we at today, Bella? We are at the theme park and we're gonna go on the water rides. Yeah, and they have some normal rides. They also have go-karting. So, and food, and unlimited ice cream. Yeah.
Oh, escape from the 170.
I know. She's laughing with her whole self. Darren. Darren, you didn't participate.
Did it over time, you can call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna do somebody. You never need you'll try to come back when you faint. I always wanted to.
down. Ahí está, ya. Ahí está. Ahí está. Agua que se siga.
And I can't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're good? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires. I know, I know.
Hey, 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 hey. We're hopping on the ferry today. Over there. We got SK in the back. We got HS. We got IA. We got H. Another HS. We got DMJ. We got DMJ. Yeah. And we got RN. Right now.
I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still move you away from Houston before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing.
No
I let you be my number two, you barely made the second change.
Put you somewhere where no one can find you.
Bend the knee.
Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment.
Look. It's massive, like, how many? 600 milliliters. It's supposed to be 500. It's crazy. It's not even that cold. And they got all these other. Oh, they got Monster and all that.
Self-control has never been your thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a dot. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the dots. How the fuck you keep so many secrets? How you going vegan but still beef don't eat? How the fuck you see so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't see it. I see it back in church, remember we took it at first. Boring. When you got back on the shit, I had to tell Mary go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handled it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know, I know. You got desires, I know, I know, I know. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why are your stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all
How you guys feeling?
Good, man.
How did you find the island?
The island was rough, bro. The island was so breathtaking. Did you get any shots of the island?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I got it. I think so. I hope so.
Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja, deja.
That shirt right there is natural. Wait, let me have natural. Okay.
It's one of them ones.
So this is the shot, glass.
Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy, cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't faze me.
Mudad you out by town. Mudad you out by town.
Hey, I'm up at This guy is not. Oh boy, get your butt back here.
That's right, girl. Oh, shit.
Lost day boys. Or lost a few hours.
Single this now, but if she does something different, she's be like, yeah, she don't have one. But it has to be so good. Pretend you're me. This is the guy, and this is his boss. Right
No.
Lazy and broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause a thing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Keep focused on me. Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Keep focus on me. Baby, can you focus